Like she had to pick a side to live out a side of the coin. Two-Face. Mental alchemy. Mental alchemy. Mental alchemy.
We must pay homage to him.
What up, what up, what up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. Cruella Decoded. Cruella Review. Cruella Explained. Estella is a young and clever grifter who's determined to make a name for herself in the fashion world. She soon meets a pair of thieves who appreciate her appetite for mischief, and together they build a life for themselves on the streets of London. However, when Estella befriends fashion legend Baroness von Hellman, she embraces her wicked side to become the raucous and revenge-bent Cruella. It's not as always as black and white as it seems. Meaning, like and alike are the same. Like and alike are the same. Like and alike are the same. Polarity. Everything is dual. Everything has poles. Everything has its pair of opposites. Like and alike are the same. Opposites are identical in nature, but different in degree. Extremes meet. All truths are but half-truths. All paradoxes may be reconciled. Go see my sliding up and down the pole video. Opposites are different by the observer's interpretation of the situation. What's the angel? What's the angle? What's the point? You're the point. You're the point. You're the point. And your interpretation of the situation could be worth more than gold.
He's heating up!
Her mom got attacked by some vicious Dalmatians and they killed her. This led her to run off and live out her hero's adventure. With her hair being black and white at birth, it seemed like she had to pick a side to live out a side of the coin. Two-Face. But just like our energies inside of us, masculine and feminine, we have to understand both sides to cultivate an understanding. Yes, you are both. Devil and Jesus on your shoulder. But we're not talking about moralism. There is no such thing as right or wrong, good or bad, Jesus or the devil. These are energetic concepts that you have to understand within you. Yes, you, your own universe. So when you start to understand these two energies that's constantly battling, yin and yang, you understand that you need both to be whole. Holistic. School is not for everyone, and physical labor is not for everyone. I got ADHD. So don't let this left brain Western view stop you from your greatness because you feel some moral obligation to a sister or Sky Daddy or to your mama. Speaking of mamas, Cruella finds out it's not always as black and white as it seems. This is not chess. I'm not playing with the black pieces or the white pieces. I'm observing the whole game holistically.
Message!
I'm stealing, designing, and I'm walking in my path accordingly. I'm at the black and white ball of my mind to show up and show out to get my gem. And understand, I'm the villain and the victor at the same time. In my mind. Dreamwise.
It's only a game. Why you have to be mad?